I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Chronic fatigue syndrome, it doesn't have to control your life anymore. And you can retrain your brain to get your energy back in just 2 steps. And you can start right now. If you are tired of missing out on life, stuck in a never-ending cycle of exhaustion, this video will teach you 2 simple techniques that you can use to retrain your brain for more energy. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm the head coach at Rewiring. We are a science-backed neuroplasticity and brain retraining program that helps you rewire your brain for better health and well-being. At Rewiring, we specialize in helping people use the power of neuroplasticity and brain retraining to overcome symptoms of things like chronic fatigue syndrome, chronic pain, anxiety, or even food and chemical sensitivities. And today, I'm excited to help you take your first step in overcoming chronic fatigue syndrome. CFS is like a cell phone stuck in low power mode with a faulty battery. Even when you charge it overnight, the battery just never reaches 100%. Simple tasks like opening an app or sending a message drain the battery quickly, and sometimes it just shuts off altogether. No matter how much you try to conserve the power, whether that be dimming the screen or closing the background apps, it just feels like nothing will help you hold the charge. You are constantly stuck managing limited resources while trying to keep up with the demands of the day. And while CFS is most often felt in the physical body, your brain plays a powerful role in your healing because you can change how your brain responds to sensations of fatigue through the power of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to rewire itself, creating new pathways that help you think, feel, and behave in healthier ways. Ultimately, allowing your nervous system to feel calm and your whole body to finally feel charged once again. And when you understand how your brain works, you're no longer at its mercy, and you can become an active participant in your healing. Think of it just like learning how to ride a bike. It takes patience, practice, consistency, falling down, scraping your knee, and getting back up again. But the more you practice, the easier it gets, and the more you get to explore. Okay, let's start with this. We'll just take 2 minutes today to calm your nervous system. Now, wherever you are, try to find some calm and some ease in your body. You might want to sit all the way back on the chair that you're in. You might want to relax fully in bed. It doesn't matter. Just try to find a little bit of ease and close your eyes. You're going to inhale for 4 seconds, hold at the top for 2, exhale for 6 seconds, and hold at the bottom for 2. We will do it together. Wherever you're at, just let all of the air leave your lungs, and then inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2, 1. Do that again all on your own. Inhaling for 4, holding for 2, exhaling for 6, and holding for 2. When your exhales are longer than your inhales, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, also known as rest and digest. This part of your nervous system is responsible for rest, recovery, and rejuvenation, essentially helping you get your energy back. And the more you can get your body into this mode, the more energy you can create. Now, continuing with your breathing, on each inhale, imagine your body filling with energy. And on each exhale, imagine your body releasing stress and tension. This simple exercise tells your brain that you're safe, shifting from survival mode into repair mode. When you're ready, go ahead and let your breathing just return to its natural rhythm and begin to open your eyes. Now, before we move on to step 2, if you've liked this video so far, please like and subscribe to the Rewiring YouTube channel to continue to get videos about calming your nervous system and healing your chronic health conditions. Now, for step 2, anytime you're feeling sensations of chronic fatigue in your body, take a moment to notice the thoughts that you're experiencing. They may sound something like, why am I so tired all the time? I'm never going to get better. This is the worst thing that could possibly happen. Now, when those thoughts come up, take a deep breath, try to let them go, and replace them with something that feels a little bit more healing or empowering to you. Those might sound something like, my body is capable of healing, or my energy is increasing little by little each day. It's a great practice to say these words out loud or write them down anytime you're feeling stuck. Now, this isn't just about positive thinking or denying that your symptoms exist. It's teaching your brain to interrupt thought patterns that are actually creating more stress and anxiety for you, thus perpetuating your symptoms of fatigue. Positive affirmations calm your nervous system and gently remind you what your body is capable of. And that's healing. Let's review the 2 steps we took today. Number 1, your breathing helps calm your nervous system and move you out of fight or flight. And the affirmations will help rewire any negative thoughts that you have around your chronic fatigue syndrome. Together, they create a powerful environment for healing. And even just 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Remember, recovery from chronic fatigue syndrome is possible, and it just starts with one small action. So today, start with either the breathing activity or the positive affirmations, and let me know in the comments how they felt. And if you'd like to learn more about the Reorigin program and how it can help you overcome symptoms of chronic stress, anxiety, chronic fatigue syndrome, you can check us out at reorigin.com/program.